U.S.-born American citizen under ICE hold in Florida after driving from Georgia. Juan Carlos Gomez Lopez is being held even though a county judge found his birth certificate authentic and said there wasn't a reason to consider him a legal alien. A U.S.-born American citizen was being detained at the request of immigration authorities Thursday despite an advocate showing his birth certificate in court and a county judge finding no reason for him to consider an illegal alien who illegally entered Florida. Juan Carlos Gomez Lopez, 20, was arrested Thursday evening by Florida Highway Patrol and charged under the state immigration law that is being temporarily blocked since early this month. Details of Gomez Lopez arrest and detention were first reported by the Florida Phoenix news site. And after inspecting his birth certificate, Leon County Judge LaShawn Riggins said during the hearing that it is in an authentic document, but that she did not have jurisdiction beyond finding no probable cause for the charge. Immigration and Customs Enforcement's role is to enforce immigration laws that generally apply to non-citizens. American citizens are protected under the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution from a reasonable search and seizure, arrest, and detention. Nonetheless, he remains detained locally at ICE's request, said Thomas Kennedy, a spokesperson at the Florida Immigration Coalition who attended Thursday's hearing. And everything tracks from him being sent to an ICE detention center, he told NBC News in a phone interview. NBC News has reached out to state and federal authorities for comment. Gomez Lopez was in a vehicle with other passengers and was traveling to work from Georgia when they were stopped for entering Florida, and a sweeping immigration law signed by Governor Ron DeSantis in 2023 makes it a state crime for undocumented immigrant over the age of 18 to enter the state illegally. Gomez Lopez was born in Georgia but lived much of his life in Mexico. His first language is Tzotzil and Mayan language, the Florida Phoenix reported. His mother burst into tears when she saw her son virtually at his hearing, the news site reported. I felt immense helpless because I couldn't do anything, and I am desperate to get my son out of there, she told the Florida Phoenix. And Kennedy compared the situation to Franz Kafka's novel The Trial, which just means I must defend himself against a charge that has no information.